Sometimes we want to get the unique values in a stream. For example, let's say this number over here represents the price of a movie. So we could have two movies that are $10, one movie that is $20, and another movie that is $30. Now we want to print the list of prices we are selling our movies for. We don't want to display 10 twice. That is repetitive. Let me show you how to do this. So first we get a stream of movies. Then we map each movie to its price. So M goes to M that get likes. Now here we could use a method reference because all this lambda is doing is calling a method. So we type the name of the class, :, get likes. That is better. So we're mapping a movie to the number of likes. Now we call the for each method. Here we should pass a consumer of integer. So let's say like goes to print like. Once again, we can use a method reference here because in this lambda expression, we're calling an existing method. So system.out : print line. Let's run the program. So we get 10, 10, 20, 30. This is repetitive. Now, to get the unique values, after we map a movie to the number of likes, we call the distinct method. Now, did you see what happened? The moment I added the distinct method, IntelliJ added these tips here to tell us what is each method returning. So the first stream method is returning a stream of movies. The map method is returning a stream of integers. The distinct method is also returning a stream of integers. So if you have more than one intermediate operation, IntelliJ tells us how our data is getting transformed. That's beautiful. Now, let's run our program. So we get the unique list of values.